Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome to Innovent Recipes. Today we are making a snack that kids just can't resist. Crispy, flavorful and full of garlic goodness. Kids' favorite homemade fried garlic chicken. It's quick, easy and perfect for school snacks or weekend treats. Take one chicken breast piece and cut it into small cube-sized pieces. Cut chicken evenly so all pieces cook at the same time. Kids are more likely to eat protein-rich snacks when they are bite-sized and crunchy. Homemade fried chicken lets you avoid unhealthy preservatives found in fast food. Pour the chicken into a mixing bowl. Add 2 to 3 cloves of finely chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, and 1 egg. Mix everything well so the chicken is coated evenly. Keep aside and let it marinate for 10 minutes. Now take half cup of flour and coat the chicken pieces well. Marinate for at least 10 minutes to let the flavor soak in. Garlic is one of the oldest known flavorings in cooking, used for over 5,000 years. Garlic not only tastes amazing but also naturally boosts immunity. Heat oil in a pan on medium heat. Fry the coated chicken for 7 to 8 minutes until golden brown and crispy. Fry on medium heat for perfect crispiness without burning. Chicken breast is low in fat and high in protein, great for kids' growth. Garlic contains antioxidants that help protect the body from illness. Using less oil or draining oil can make fried snacks lighter. Homemade snacks are always healthier because you control the ingredients. Remove from the pan, drain excess oil, and serve hot. So that's it, kids' favorite homemade fried garlic chicken. Crispy on the outside, soft and juicy on the inside, with a burst of garlic flavor in every bite. If you try this recipe, let us know how much your kids love it is in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and follow Innovent Recipes for more tasty and simple ideas for your family. See you next time with another delicious recipe.